Best explosive exercises for power. Kettlebell swings. Kettlebell swings are a dynamic exercise that involves swinging a kettlebell from between the knees to eye level, or overhead, depending on the variation. Here's a step-by-step guide to performing a standard kettlebell swing. Stand with your feet hip-width apart. Hold the kettlebell with both hands, palms facing you, and arms extended straight down. Slightly bend your knees and push your hips back, allowing the kettlebell to swing between your legs. Keep your back flat and core engaged. Explosively drive your hips forward to propel the kettlebell upward. Allow the kettlebell to swing up to chest height for a standard swing, or overhead for an American swing. Keep your arms relaxed and let the momentum of the hips drive the movement. As the kettlebell falls, hinge at your hips and let it swing back between your legs. Repeat the movement in a continuous, fluid motion. How kettlebell swings improve athletic power. Kettlebell swings improve athletic power by targeting posterior chain muscles, including the glutes, hamstrings, and lower back. This results in improved core strength and a more efficient transfer of power. The explosive nature of swings increases the rate of force development, RFD, resulting in increased speed and power. This also boosts cardiovascular and muscular endurance, allowing athletes to maintain performance levels during prolonged activity. Additionally, the rhythmic and coordinated movement of kettlebell swings enhances neuromuscular coordination, benefiting complex movements and sequences required in various sports. Incorporating kettlebell swings into a training regimen can significantly enhance an athlete's overall power, speed, and endurance, making it a valuable exercise for those looking to improve their athletic performance.